Hey there, my name is Irvin, and in this video I'm going to show you what is robot.txt and how to use it. What is Robots.txt? Robots.txt is a text file that serves as the first point of contact between a website and search engine crawlers. It acts as a communication tool between the website owner and the search engines, by instructing the search engine crawlers what pages or sections of the website should be crawled and indexed. The primary purpose of the robots text file is to prevent crawlers from indexing and caching sensitive or secure information that should not be publicly available. For instance, a website may want to prevent search engine crawlers from accessing certain directories that contain confidential files or private user data, such as login credentials or payment information. How to edit and use robots text? If you're looking to edit or use the robot text file on your website, it's important to understand the basics of how it works. To begin with, you'll need to have access to your website's file system, either through the cPanel or FTP access. Once you have access, you can navigate to the root directory of your website and find the robots text file there. The robots text file is a simple text file that can be edited with any text editor, including Notepad, Sublime Text, or Notepad++. You may want to create a backup copy of the original file before you start editing it, just in case something goes wrong. To create specific rules for how search engines should interact with your website, you'll need to format your instructions in a particular way. The basic syntax for a robots text directive is as follows. In the first row, you type user agent, then type in the search engine bot. Then you type in disallow and specify which pages, directories, or file types you want to block. For example, if you wanted to block Googlebot from indexing pages in a particular directory, you could add the following: user-agent :Googlebot. And in the next row, you type in disallow / directory name /. This will tell Googlebot not to crawl pages within the specified directory, which could be useful if the content is not relevant or is outdated. When you're finished editing your robots text file, be sure to save it and upload it to the root directory of your website. You can then use a robots text checker tool to verify that it's working properly and blocking any pages or directories you specified. Overall, the robots text file can be a useful tool in helping to manage the indexing and crawling of your website by search engines. By learning how to edit and use the robots text file in UltaHost, you can increase your control over how search engines interact with your site and ensure that your content is fully optimized for maximum visibility in search engine result pages. Head to ultahost.com to get started. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials and helpful content like this.